my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So, I've got some more Luvme hair. They've sent me some more, well not some more, but they sent me another unit, but this one is a U-part wig. It is 22 inch, and I'm gonna take this netting off right quick so we can see what it's working with. It's body wave, and it looks like it's gonna match up to my hair color pretty decently. So I've never worn a U-part wig before. This is the first. I'm not gonna know what I'm doing, so we learning together. Unless you already know, then you're watching me learn. It looks like it's got the clip ends kind of clips on it, not the wig cap kind of clips in it. So that's interesting. I wonder why that is. It's not important though, so moving on. It does have adjustable straps in it, and yeah, it does have the back comb too. The hair texture feels real nice and silky. You can see how my hands run through it. I am getting a little bit of tangling towards the ends. It's not making my hands hard to run through. It's just it's not a smooth run through like right around here.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never baby. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. If I can handle you as just a friend, oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so foreign, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Baby. to me. I'll make it so you never, baby. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of me, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the baby? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of me, baby.
I will go ahead and say, like, the leave out probably could be a little more seamless if this was a fresh flat iron, but I wasn't about to, you know, go through and like re-flat iron the whole thing on a high heat. I had already had my hair flat ironed. I didn't want to risk damaging my actual hair, you know, just for blending sake. So I did the best that I could, and I went on the roots to do that so it would still look good, but you know, just so you know. I'm loving the density on this unit. It seems like it's probably like maybe a little less than 150 because it's not a frontal, so you're losing a little bit of hair. But just standing alone, like, it is essentially the back of the wig, and I really like the density of it because it's nice and thin enough to, like, you know, just lay flat. And I was worried because, you know, you don't want it too bulky, especially with you having to blend your leave out. This is definitely big head friendly for sure, because listen, like, it can sit over top of my ears. That's how much room and space I have in here. I can still place it behind my ears when you put it, like when you clip it in the right position, which is why I have it so far up. I watched a few videos on how to do this because this is my first U-part wig, like, ever. Okay, I feel like I am in high school all over again blending leave out. I'm really feeling real 10th grade right now. But I really do like this. If you're a weave kind of girl, this is definitely something you can do in the meantime if you don't know how to put in your own sewing, you know, while you can't go to the salon, have somebody do it for you. You can clip it on yourself and be good to go. These U-part wigs are definitely big head friendly, so if you have a big head, these gonna work for you for sure, because I have a ton of extra room. Like, I can feel the extra room. It's not too bubbly to where you can like see it, but if you touch my head, you can feel it. This is taking me all the way back to my high school weave days, but you know, like the upgraded version. If you on the go, or you really want like a cute style but you don't want to take too long to do it, like, you literally just like pop this on. It's quicker than clip-ins, and it's easier than trying to put on a wig, and it's easier than trying to do your own weave. Like, U-part wigs, like, you need one in your arsenal. You need just one. Give y'all a back view. Y'all can see that. All the details to this beginner friendly easy U-part unit will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.